People like Edwin Clark, I've always said I don't want to reply Edwin Clark. Never believed that the purpose were Ijaws. Never one day. Never. People like Edwin Clark, they say octogenarian, they say,
he's an elder statesman.
I don't know what people say.
That's what he is.
You see, elder statesman is not by age.
And he's a leader of the Ijaw people.
I don't know. I'm not an Ijaw man. So I don't know. I was never there when they appointed who will be an Ijaw leader. No, I am not. So I don't want to comment on that. He's an Ijaw leader. I have no problem about that. I'm not part of it. But the point I'm making is that he refused. He said, even if you want to bring an Ijaw man, why should you be Opobo? I am telling you this.
Yes, so Wike said that Edwin Clark does not believe that Opobo is Ijaw. He said that Edwin Clark told him, if you are to make an Ijaw person the governor of Rivers State, that such a person should not come from Opobo because he does not see Opobo people as Ijaw people. Edwin Clark is right. Opobo people are not Ijaw people. Edwin Clark is an Ijaw leader and a politician from Delta State. He is an Ijaw man from Delta State. He died on the 17th of February 2025. Edwin Clark, who is a well-respected man from Ijaw nation, is telling us that Opobo people are not Ijaw people. That is because he knows the history of Opobo people. The founder of Opobo is King Jaja. King Jaja is originally from Igbo in Imo State. King Jaja of Opobo established that Opobo Kingdom. He did not establish it alone. He came with other Igbo people and founded Opobo Kingdom. King Jaja of Opobo spoke Igbo language till he died. Those Igbo people that founded Opobo with him, their children started speaking that Igbo language up to date. Some Opobo will tell you, we Opobo people, we are not Igbo people. We know that we trace our origin to King Jaja. King Jaja gave birth to us, but we are not Igbo people. We are Ijaw people. Even when you know the origin of King Jaja of Opobo, your ancestor, you know, say, he came from Igbo land, though. He still dey speak that Igbo language till date. You still get mouth, they talk, say, you Opobo people are not Igbo people. If to say Opobo people not dey speak Igbo language, say na only Ijaw language that they speak, we go talk say, okay, no wahala. Una Igbo identity not dey visible again. You people don't speak Igbo language again. You people can now go. But because Opobo people speak Igbo language, they practice Igbo culture and tradition. They use Ofo and the Igbo for market days. They are 100% Igbo people with Ndibo in the southeast. They are 100% Igbo people with we Ndibo in the south. The king of Opobo said that he will make it possible for Ijaw language to be taught in Opobo schools, for Opobo children to start speaking Ijaw language. The king-elect of Opobo wants to make sure that the Igbo language that they are speaking in Opobo goes into extinction for Ijaw language to take over. A king-elect that traces his origin to King Jaja of Opobo that came from Amaibo in Imo State wants to change the language of Opobo from Igbo to Ijaw. How much Ijaw people they pay all these people for Opobo to they deny their Igbo identity? If Opobo people like many they talk say they not be Igbo people, say they be Ijaw people. The real Ijaw people knows that Opobo is not Ijaw. Edwin Clark and Ijaw leader they talk say Opobo is Igbo, not Ijaw. I saw the video of one prince from Opobo who traces his ancestry to King Jaja. The surname of this young man is Jaja. In that video, he said that Opobo is Ijaw and not Igbo. It's so shameful. Person where he say he know where him ancestor come from, say his ancestor come from Igbo land. Him community see they speak the Igbo language of him ancestor. He still get mind, they come, they talk, say his community is not Igbo, that he is Ijaw. If the royal palace of Opobo like make dem dey talk say Opobo is Ijaw, that one no concern Ijaw people. Ijaw people know say Opobo is Igbo and not Ijaw. Ijaw people will never accept Opobo as true Ijaw people. Governor Fubara of Rivers State, he traces his ancestry to those Igbo people that founded Opobo with King Jaja. Say him name na Fubara, no mean say he not be Igbo person. Some people are saying is Fubara an Igbo name. Fubara is not an Igbo name, but Fubara speaks Igbo language very well. Did he learn that Igbo language in school? No. Did he learn that Igbo language from the southeast? No. The Igbo language that Fubara is speaking is the Igbo language that his ancestors left for him. Fubara has Igbo blood running inside of him. Opobo people are fake Ijaws. You people are of Igbo origin, when I did the disgrace, when I said they say, we are not Igbo people, we are Ijaw people. Ijaw people, they thought so, be fake. When they thought so, no, when I not be fake. What is the name of your founder? The name of your founder is Igbo name. Does King Jaja have Ijaw blood? No. You will never see a politician from Anambra State tell you that we Anima people are not Igbo people. No governor from Enugu, Abia, Imo, and Ebonyi will tell you that we Anima people are not Igbo people. None of them will tell you that we Anima people are Bini people. None of them will tell you that we Anima people are Igala people. They will tell you that Anioma is Igbo. That is because they know that we Anima people are Igbo people. Our origin, language, culture, and tradition is Igbo. Those set of Anima people that say they not be Igbo people, say they be of Bini original, say they be of Igala original, they are a tiny minority. No region for this country where we say people from other places not come join them. Come they assimilated, start to speak their language. Bini people are from Ile-Ife, Yoruba land, but not all Bini people are from Ile-Ife. So many Bini people are of Igbo origin. So many Bini people are of Ijaw origin, and so on. Not all Ijaw people are of Ijaw origin. So many Ijaw people are of Igbo origin. All Igala people are not of Igala origin. So many Igala people are of Igbo origin. So many of them are of Fulani, Hausa, Yoruba, Bini, and so on. All Yoruba people are not of Yoruba origin. Some Yoruba people are of Fulani origin. Some of them are of Hausa origin. Some of them are of Igbo origin. That is not enough reason for you to say that Yoruba people are no longer Yoruba people, that they are from Hausa, that they are of Fulani. That is not enough reason for you to say that we are Nema people whose language is Igbo language are not Igbo people, that we are Igala, that we are Bini, that we are this, that we are that. The language of your community is what you are. People will address you with the language of your community. A Fulani community is Fulani people. An Igbo community is Ndi Igbo. Why will Opobo people be speaking Igbo and some of them will be saying that they are not Igbo people? The most shameful part of it is that some of them are saying that Opobo is not Igbo. Real Ijaw people are telling them that Opobo is Igbo, that Opobo is not Ijaw. Edwin Clark is not the only Ijaw person that said it. So many other Ijaw leaders are saying that Opobo people are not Ijaw people. Asari Dokubo in a video said that all the governors that have ruled Rivers State are Igbo people, including Fubara. Asari Dokubo does not see Governor Fubara as an Ijaw man. Asari Dokubo knows the history of Opobo. He not go tell you say King Jaja is an Ijaw man. It's not possible. Asari Dokubo said that the 4 governors that have ruled Rivers State are Igbo people. Those governors are Peter Odili from Ndone, Rotimi Amechi from Ikwere, Nyesom Wike from Ikwere, and Fubara from Opobo. All these people are Igbo people. The language of their community is Igbo. The culture and tradition of their community is Igbo. Those Ijaw people that you are seeing online saying Opobo is not Igbo, Opobo is Ijaw, they are just saying it to acquire more lands, to acquire more population, to expand. As you dey hear say Ijaw is the 4th largest ethnic group in Nigeria. Do you think that all of them speak the same language? Ijaw is a union of people that don't speak the same language. Just as Bini people will tell you that Anioma is Bini, Esan is Bini, Urobanisogo is Bini, Lagos is Bini, Ile-Ife is Bini. But if they come together, they will speak English language. There are people in River State that are called Ijaw, but they are not Ijaw people. Their language is not Ijaw language. But then they call all of them Ijaw. Instead of Ijaw to be an ethnicity, Ijaw is a people with different original backgrounds that don't speak the same language. They came together and they are identifying as Ijaw. So now wetin they wan do Opobo by claiming that Opobo is Ijaw, but deep down they know that Opobo is not Ijaw. Opobo people should be proud enough. Come out and tell the world that Opobo is of Igbo origin, that they Opobo people are Igbo people. As we dey here dey speak up for Opobo people, it's not enough. It will go a long way, but it's not enough. Our voice will become stronger if Opobo people take the bull by the horn and start telling the world that they are Igbo people. If the king of Opobo like, let him be claiming that Opobo is Ijaw and not Igbo. He should know that Opobo remains Igbo. He should know that the real Ijaw people knows that Opobo is not Ijaw but Igbo. He should know that no matter what they do to change the Igbo identity of Opobo to Ijaw, that Ijaw people will never see them as Ijaw people. Ijaw people will never call them Ijaw people. Ijaw people will never see them as their own. Ijaw people only want to expand their territory. Igbo bofu, Opobo is Igbo land and territory. Ishegwale.